In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to start your faceless YouTube automation channel. What you're going to learn in today's video is what is a faceless YouTube channel, how to choose the right niche, which videos work best, how to make faceless videos, free versus paid methods for content creation, ways to make money with this method that don't require you to be monetized, strategies to grow your channel, video release strategy guaranteed to get your automated channel initial views, faceless niches that historically perform well, and what channel you should start today. My name is Gibson and welcome to the Gibson Finance channel, where I'm going to be teaching you every single way possible to make money online. So if you guys like money like I do, I would highly recommend going ahead and hitting that subscribe button. In terms of my qualifications for faceless YouTube automation, this is one of my brand new channels that I just started that within the last 6 months has made me $21,000 in YouTube AdSense. On top of that, I make over $3,200 per month in passive income affiliate commissions, which I'm going to be explaining exactly how you can replicate this exact channel near the end of the video, so make sure to stick till the end for that. First, what is a faceless YouTube channel? It is a method of YouTube video creation where there is no person in front of the camera as the subject of a video. So imagine instead of me having my face cam for this video, I decided to instead just record the video with nothing but my microphone. This allows for a much more automated content creation process because you don't actually have to get out there and record the videos yourself. You can either have AI do it for free, or you could pay a voice actor to do it, which I'll be explaining the different ways you can do it near the end of the video. This method has generated millions of subscribers, billions of views, and millions of dollars for YouTube channels since YouTube's inception. These are a couple examples of faceless YouTube channels that are similar to mine. Brightside right here has over 42 million subscribers, and they are getting hundreds of millions of views every single month, netting them easily hundreds of thousands of dollars. Animal Wise is a newer channel doing almost the same thing. All they are doing is posting animal clips that they find online, and because of that, YouTube rewards them with instant views because it's something that people want to see. There's also channels like Mindboggler, Most Amazing Top 10, and Red Arcade that are all doing an insane amount of money as well. Why should you start a faceless YouTube channel? Number one, there's no need to get in front of the camera like I'm doing for this video. Number two, there's no expensive equipment necessary to start. This camera kit in front of you with the lens and the camera costed me $1,000, and this microphone cost me $300. You don't have to pay any of that. It's an easy to start business model for anybody of any age, regardless of where they're at. There's basically no startup cost. To get your entire channel created and your first batch of videos made shouldn't cost you any more than 50 bucks. There is a low barrier to entry, so literally anybody can do this. You can also explore topics that you're passionate about. So if you like things like finance, if you like cats and animals, you can create channels entirely around that. And there have been millions of dollars made with this exact method. Now, on the expectations and mindset, this is not a way to quote unquote get rich quick. It took me 6 months to make that money that I'm showing you earlier. You have to actually build a presence and a community on YouTube. YouTube channel growth takes time, but the good part about it is that it is exponential. Once you get your first 1,000 subscribers, it is so much easier to then get your first 100,000 subscribers and then your first million. With consistent quality content, you could expect to monetize your channel within 6 to 8 months, and I have had channels personally that I have monetized within the first month of starting them. From there, your earning potential is limitless, but I am going to be showing you a method near the end of this video on how you can start making money from your YouTube channel today without it being monetized. Step one of YouTube automation is going to be choosing our niche. So a niche is the category or content type that you are going to be making that targets a specific and definable group of people. Figure out what your audience are. Who are you creating content for? Who do you want to serve with your content? Determine the problems that your target audience is looking to solve. How can you create videos that solve these problems? Are you able to answer the questions that your viewer frequently asks? Going back to this affiliate page here, the reason why I make passive income from this affiliate right here is because on the YouTube channel that this is coming from, I market certain kinds of products that people are looking for. I make videos about these products explaining how people can buy them, and then I give them my affiliate links so they can then buy them, thus making me the $3,200 every single month passively without any of my input, because I have provided that educational resource that people will simply just come to me for. Because I have provided that educational resource that people will just come to me for, that doesn't require any effort on my part. Now let's get into ways that you can operate your faceless YouTube channel. The free method is to create content yourself. For my first YouTube automation channels, I created all the videos myself. I pumped out daily videos for months on end. If you don't want to do that, you can go with the paid method, which is build a content creation team to automate the process. And my favorite one, which is the hybrid method, both free and paid. Pay for certain components and then create the others while working within a budget, and prioritize what you can do based on your specific skills. For me, for example, I like getting in front of the camera. I like recording these videos. I don't really like editing them, and I don't really like making the thumbnails. I can do it. I just don't like it. So I outsource those things. But everything else for this video, I handle myself. I handled this recording. I handled creating this PowerPoint. I handled the uploading process. I handled the tag acquisition. I handled all of that. Let's go over some must-haves for your channel. Number one, you need a channel icon and a banner that aligns with the content that you make. This is normally something that people have skipped, and I've skipped it personally myself. And this is actually a huge mistake. The reason why this is a big mistake is because the goal is to make your channel look as legit as possible. When you see my channel, you see a nice looking profile picture, you see a nice looking banner. You don't see this like random assortment of stuff, this stupid picture of my dog when I was 5 or whatever. You see something that actually looks good. These need to be high quality and professional looking. For me, I would recommend either using Canva and creating it yourself, or hiring someone for Fiverr if you're willing to pay for having someone else create it for you. Me personally, I would recommend Fiverr because they're probably going to be better at graphic design than you are. But if you are good at graphic design and if you have a flair for it, try out Canva for yourself. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link for both Canva and Fiverr in the description down below. So if you guys do want to sign up for any of those, make sure to sign up with those links down below. Let's go over the components of a faceless YouTube video. Number one is going to be the script, the words that are being spoken by the narrator of the video. You don't have to script the video word by word, but it is generally a good idea to have a decent outline or a PowerPoint like I have here. Number two is video footage, what the audience visually experiences throughout the video. So for me, I'm recording this right here. I use my camera. You don't have to use a camera. You could just use a screen recording software like OBS and just record into a microphone, or as I'll explain later, you can just pay someone to do that for you. Editing, how the video footage is broken up and how it is presented to the audience. This is important because you obviously want to keep your viewers engaged throughout the entire video. You can't make a mediocre video, you can't have mediocre stuff and expect it to get a ton of views. You have to make sure that you're on the ball with the video. Next up is the voiceover / music. What is the audience hearing throughout the entire video? For me, you guys are hearing my voice, you might hear some background music. If you're doing a faceless video, you'll have to have some kind of voiceover obviously as well. And then the thumbnail, which video preview is going to be enticing for potential viewers to then click on the video. First, let's go over how to create a high quality script. Number one, the free method, research it yourself and then write it yourself. If you don't want to do that, you could pay a freelancer on Fiverr, which I'll include a link down below, but you can get high quality scripts done for as low as $5. Video footage, free method. Now, in order to get your video footage, you can either get stock footage from a free site like Pixels or Palabay. You could use the YouTube Creative Commons. You could screen record like I'm doing. You could film with your own equipment that you have. You could use a newer phone and film. It doesn't really matter. Paid method, you could use Canva stock footage, which is going to be quite a bit higher quality than any of the free methods shown here, or story blocks. I'm going to go ahead and leave links for you guys to sign up for them down below if you're interested. Next up is going to be video editing. A free one would be iMovie, Windows Movie Maker. Another one is going to be WeVideo, which is a cloud-based video editing option. I'm going to leave a link for that below as well. Adobe Premiere, I'm a big fan of Premiere. I've used Premiere forever. Final Cut Pro is also very, very good. And you could also hire an editor from Fiverr, which I'm going to leave a link as well. Next up, voiceover. You could get a free method. You could use an audio recording device like I am and do the voiceovers on your own. Or you could hire a voiceover artist on Fiverr. As you guys can see right here, you can get some pretty high quality voiceovers for as low as $5. Next up, music. If you want to add a little bit of spice to the audio of your video, you could use something free like the Adobe Audio Library, Free Music Archive, or Bensound. Or you could use a paid method such as Epidemic Sound or Artlist, which I'm going to leave links down below for that as well. Thumbnails, a free method. Create your own. You could just use Photoshop. You could use whatever. It doesn't really matter. Paid method. You could use softwares like Canva, PicMonkey, or hire someone from Fiverr to go ahead and create them for you. Now, if you're going to order something on Fiverr, here's the top 5 things to beware on Fiverr. Number 1, offers to do everything for you in one package. Don't trust these guys. You instead want to look for people that are really good at one specific thing, not people who are decent at everything. Next up, quality is usually extremely low on Fiverr because anybody can post on Fiverr. On that alone, you're not going to get the highest quality every single time. However, I would highly encourage that instead of just DMing one person on Fiverr, for me personally, whenever I'm looking to hire anybody on Fiverr, I will DM at least 20 different people. Number 3, most use robot voiceovers, but keep in mind, these are now getting demonetized on YouTube. You cannot use AI voiceovers anymore, even with 11 Labs. You can't really use AI voiceovers anymore. It's kind of unfortunate because YouTube will demonetize those videos. So just keep that in mind. They're just not gonna let you anymore. You're either gonna have to record it yourself or you're gonna have to hire someone to record it for you. And yes, before you think, oh, but YouTube might not be able to tell this one, YouTube will be able to tell. YouTube is smarter than you. If you want to be on YouTube, you got to play by YouTube's rules. Number 4, little research into topic or a low quality script. You don't want to produce garbage. Producing garbage is the worst thing you can do on YouTube because you're just going to be wasting your time and money. Focus on making really, really good videos that actually attack a specific pain point in the market. 5, you are better off finding quality candidates to complete each of your components for the Faceless video. So I talked about this earlier. You want to source someone, you want to test someone, you want to analyze their work and then repeat it. Do not feel bad about going through a freelancer. I have gone through dozens, maybe hundreds of freelancers in my time. And let me tell you, most of them suck and most of them deliver poor quality work. If someone delivers you a poor quality job, do not come back to them. What I will say is you are always going to make sure that you pay them, even if they don't quite do it up to your specifications. You never want to leave a bad taste in people's mouth. You always want to make sure that you're known as the guy to go to. You don't want to be known as the scammer. Now, this is the fun stuff. TubeBuddy, absolutely essential for growing your YouTube channel. It is a free browser extension that integrates directly into YouTube to help optimize your channel. It has an advanced keyword research tool to help you find your videos and help them rank in search. It has features that will assist with thumbnail testing and video promotion. And if you guys sign up with the link down below, you will get an exclusive discount while going ahead and supporting the channel. The best strategies for channel growth. Number 1, consistent and quality uploads. I would recommend usually about 2 videos a week when you're trying to get a channel started. That's usually a good thing to aim for. YouTube doesn't need you to post a certain amount of times a week. That's kind of bullcrap. But posting twice a week for me, I found keeps me consistent, keeps me on the grind. But if you find yourself better off only making 1 video a month and you make more money with that, perfectly fine, no problems. Number 2, create videos that answer questions that your audience is asking frequently. YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine in the world. YouTube knows what the audience wants. Just figure out what the audience wants, make those videos, and you're good. You don't need to try and reinvent the wheel. You just need to make the things that people are looking for, that answer specific questions that everybody's wanted the answer to. Number 3, the 33 video rule. When you make 33 videos, this is what I'll do on every single channel. You got to double down on what works best. Literally just go to your most trending videos and just start remaking those videos. Don't try and do new things. Just go with what already works. Number 4, performing content. Post videos when your viewers are on YouTube. So YouTube will allow you to see when your viewers are on YouTube. TubeBuddy actually will automatically do this for you. Make sure that you post around that time so your subscribers are always going to be notified for when you first upload. And then finally, go to the YouTube Studio, go to the Analytics tab, and then go to Audience. Duplicate what is performing for your competitors. Figure out exactly what they're doing and just remake the videos. In order to increase likes and subscribers, engagement is good for the algorithm. Everyone knows this. Number 1, provide consistent value to your content. Answer questions that your audience frequently asks. Provide solutions for these problems. Number 2, offer giveaways to incentivize engagement. Shout out in the next video if you like, subscribe, or comment. Gift cards related to the channel topic. If I created a video, here's how to get free Robux, tell people that, hey, if you go to the comments and comment your Roblox username 10 times, I'll give you Robux. And then actually do it and then show it in the videos, because fake promotion is against YouTube TOS. And then always make sure to ask your viewers to like and subscribe multiple times throughout the video. If you haven't, please. Bonus, video release strategy. Schedule your videos to release at a time that is not on the half hour of the mark. You always want to be first on the ball. Number 2, YouTube pushes your videos to viewers more heavily when it is first released, so you don't want to be screwing this timing up. 3, established YouTube channels will release videos on the hour or half hour mark. For example, 7 p.m. Schedule your videos on the 15-minute mark. So this is essentially what we're doing, is that we're pushing things before everybody else. This allows your content to get pushed to more viewers immediately after the release. Now, the requirements for YouTube monetization. Monetization is payment through Google AdSense as a member of the YouTube Partner Program. How to get monetized on YouTube? You got to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a 365-day period. You got to make sure to follow all of the YouTube monetization policies. You got to live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Most countries are available. Also have a linked AdSense account. Other ways to monetize a faceless YouTube channel. I talked about this earlier, but I'll be going into one of these a little bit more near the end of the video. Number 1, affiliate marketing. That's what I know how to do really well. I'll be telling you more about that near the end of the video. Number 2, offer community post shoutouts. Just give yourself more engagement, basically getting paid for community posts. Number 3, brand deals and sponsorships. Get paid to sponsor a brand in a video. Number 4, sell a course or an ebook. That's also a great way to make money. Number 5, merch sales. A really, really great way to make money. People really underestimate merch sales. MrBeast alone has done close to 50 million in merch sales in just the last year. Number 6, create a blog around the same topic and drive traffic there. You can also get paid with YouTube AdSense. And then finally, be creative. YouTube is great. When you make good videos, your shit will get pushed and people will watch it and they will do what you tell them to. So now that you've done the hard part of even getting any initial views, let's scale and 10x our earnings. Number 1, reach 10,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. Number 2, create a brand new channel using the exact same steps that you've already done, making the same type of content or a similar flavor of it. Number 3, incentivize subscribers to subscribe to this new channel. For example, having a shout out in a video saying, hey, if you guys want to learn more about this, check out my other channel down here. Number 4, create community posts sharing content from that new channel. Pretty easy way to drive engagement to the new one. Number 5, grow your second channel to 10K subs and repeat. Keep in mind, people are always looking for new content that they enjoy, are entertained by, learn from, or that solves a problem that makes them green. Faceless YouTube channel niches that perform well. So by the end of reading this, honestly, you guys shouldn't have a good reason for not going ahead and starting your channel today. I want you to get your channel created, your channel art banner made, and your first video done within the first week. That is my assignment to you. If you don't have it done, you're a failure. But if you do get it done, make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as comment down below. Number 1, meditation. You can make these videos super easy. You can literally hire a Fiverr gig to create a meditation video for you. Number 2, motivation. Motivational videos are piss easy to create. Just use whatever to write a script for you and then just spit it out. Number 3, tutorials, my favorite kind, where you're teaching people how to do something, e.g. a video like this. Number 4, product reviews. If you liked, for example, the Apple iPhone 15, make a video about it. Number 5, whiteboard explained. Let's say you want to make a video about tax law. You're a tax attorney, or if you enjoy a certain video game and want to explain everything about it, create a video with a whiteboard or a PowerPoint just like this one and explain it. Next, music playlists. You can make a ton of money just re-uploading copyright-free music for a specific purpose. You could do something for like D&D. You could do content creator music, just upload it to YouTube. Niche down information content, something like this. Examples, tips for dog owners, facts about Fortnite, traveling for Europe. Be specific and be engaging, as well as being useful. Now, in terms of what I would do if I was starting right now, I would absolutely either hit cryptocurrency, because you can make a ton of money with crypto arbitrage as well as with crypto affiliates. NFTs as well, trading cards or any kind of physical collectibles. Pokemon cards especially are really, really hot right now. Trending shows or movies on popular streaming services. So think of a show, Pawn Stars, make videos about Pawn Stars, showing off Pawn Stars clips. Esports stats and highlights. This one is actually great. I have a buddy of mine who created a channel about this specifically and literally has already made $10,000 this month in just AdSense. Actionable steps to take today. The first person that takes every single one of these actionable steps leaves a comment on this video with their channel saying that they did it. I will go ahead and pin that comment so everyone can go subscribe to their channel. Number 1, choose your niche. Number 2, create your channel. Super easy. Get someone on Fiverr to create a channel art for you or make it yourself. This should be done literally within 5 minutes. Number 3, decide your method of operation, free, paid, or hybrid. My favorite is hybrid. I like recording. I know what to say in videos. I think it's better to get your hands in and actually make sure that the video is just right. But if you want to hire someone to do it, no problem. Number 4, plan. Create your content. Get on Fiverr, get on Canva, create some decent videos. Number 5, upload consistently. 2 times a week is pretty good. Number 6, scale and exponentially grow your earnings. The first person that goes ahead and either uploads 33 high quality videos or has 10K subscribers, make sure to comment your channel down below and I will pin it. Number 7, analyze after 33 uploads, replicate what's working, and then grow your YouTube channel. This is one of the best opportunities to be making money right now today. I've done this over and over and over again, and I know for a fact that you could do the same. And I just want to end with thank you for watching. Genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, it means so much to me that you would take valuable time out of your day to watch a video like this, because I know you want to take steps to improve the life of yourself and your family. So take those steps. I've already given them to you. All you got to do is take action. Thank you so much for watching. Hope that you have a good day. Bye.